Come on in, come on in. Welcome back to Pam's vlog. I'm Pam, and yes, I have on a short dude today. So this unit here, I said, you know what, I'm gonna wear this unit today and see what it is giving. It's a little warm outside, and so I did not want anything on my neck. So, pop, there she goes, and she is on, and I am out the door. But I wanted to come on and share with you guys my weekly pickup haul from my Walmart delivery. So I had a taste for some shrimp tacos. Yes. And so I am going to be making some shrimp tacos. But let me show you guys. Come on, let's go in the kitchen. Let's see what the delivery is giving. So I want to say I paid about $65 for everything. And a lot of the things that I have, most of it is, like I said, I try to balance it out. I try to have the fruits, the vegetables. I just try to balance it out for everybody. So let's start with the strawberry rolls. I got the strawberry rolls for some of the lunches. I got cinnamon rolls as well. I did pick up some Cool Whip because I love some Cool Whip in my coffee. I got 2 bananas. I got the Fuji apples. When I say when they're cold, crisp, not too tardy, not too sweet. I got a lettuce. I got the tomatoes for the salads. I love a good salad with red onion. I did pick up some brown and served sausage. This is the 50 link bag. This is such a great deal. It is such a great deal. I want to say that the carbs are not too bad on here. I don't overdo it, but the family loves it. So yeah, I picked up some white eggs, some large white eggs rather. I did pick up the Land O'Frost oven roasted turkey breast meat. This is a cabbage. I had a taste for some cabbage, so I did pick up a cabbage. I also got 3 loaves of the French bread. Love it, love it, love it. I did pick up some shrimp. I did get a bag of leg quarters. I did save on the smoked turkey necks. No, I'm sorry guys. These are the pork cut neck bones. They're smoked, but yeah, I did pick that up as well. And I picked up a smoked sausage to go in some beans that I am going to be making this week. And it is going to be good. So yeah, guys, this is my weekly haul. So it is another day, and welcome back again to Pam's Vlog Vibes. I did pick up that Walmart haul. I did need everything on the list, so I did pick that up, but I ran into some super tasks and projects that I needed to handle, so I'm just not picking it up again today. And I'm super excited to share this with you because a couple of days ago I did make some baked pork chops with gravy, and when I tell you, it was so good, so good. So I said, you know what, I'm gonna share it with you guys. I'm gonna show you what I did. I just used a couple of seeds. But anyway, let's get into it so that you can see what I did. I have these 2 pork steaks, and I'm going to be using some garlic pepper seasoning. Love me some garlic. And then I am going to be using some onion powder. These are the seasonings that I love the most. And I like to get it in there because I love me some flavor. And then I picked up some Tony seasoning. This is my go-to. I did not just recently buy it, but I do use it occasionally. And I'm going to dab with some of that. Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. And so I do use that every now and then. And then I'm going to put them in a pan, but I usually put a dab of butter or some type of oil in there to give it that golden brown, nice crisp flavor. So let's get the skillet. So I just put these in the skillet after I have put all of the oil in the skillet. I just use some regular vegetable oil, and so I put them in the skillet to get that vegetable oil around the meat. It seals in that moisture and keeps that seasoning just right. So we're going to put that in the oven, and I do have it on 425 degrees. So I want to show you guys what I was talking about when I put the oil in. So let me show you. It's got the sizzling going on, and that's what's going to give it that brown coating on it, and it's going to make it super, super good. So I'm thinking that's the secret. That's what's keeping them juicy. That's what's going to keep that flavor in, and so that's what I'm doing. So this is what it's looking like after about 20 minutes. And so I just take the pieces and I turn them over like so. And see, it's going to keep all of that flavor in. And then I season the other side to make sure I get some flavor in each bite. I have this pot on, and I'm going to be having some mashed potatoes with it. So yeah. So while that's cooking and browning, I got some brown gravy mix, and I'm gonna add it to my bowl. Like I said, this is not a tutorial, so I'm just eyeballing it. And then I add me a little water. Mix that up real good, because I'm gonna add this to my pork chops. When I tell you, I wish you could smell them pork chops cooking right now. What I did is I put the pork chops back in. I turned the bacon part off, and then I put the pork chops back in and put it on broil so I could brown them. So let's go over here and check it out. So I took them out the oven, and this is what it looks like. You see that sizzle? You see that golden brown? And now I'm just going to add the gravy, and it is a win-win. I wish you guys could smell it. It smells so good. So I got it all plated up. This is my gravy. When I tell you, if you could smell it, get into it. Get into it. I think I'm going to add some more gravy. Yes. Yes. Get into it. And then I'm going to add me a little pepper. Oh, yeah. And so I'm going to get into this. I'm going to end the video here. You already know why. I was going to get into this pork with this gravy and these mashed potatoes. And until the next video, don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up, and I'm going to catch you on the next video. Bye.